Today I want to talk about marathon. So today is Thursday. I want to go as a volunteer in a marathon. It's a Agargaon marathon. So at first they call me and say to me that you come here at 4 p.m. For give the kit for the runners. Then I said to him, yes, of course, because I am here at Mohammadpur in English Fantasy. So they said, okay, then you come at 4 p.m. So I am today is our exam, level 3 exam. After finishing that exam, I joined my mock test in the classroom. Then after finish that, I was go with my friends and go outside, take a cup of tea. Then when I come here again, then I go in my room and take some rest. After that, I come in the classroom and talk with gossiping with my classmates. And now the time for complete my all work in here. And when I go there, all participants, runners come in the marathon, and they take their kit. And when they take their kit, the next morning, Friday morning, they all come for running. This Agargaon marathon is only 7.5 kilo. They running at marathon in Agargaon. So I think it's not a big running competition. It's a small marathon, like 7.5 kilo. But in our country, 21.5 and 50 kilo is full marathon. But now from some days, so many institutes, so many organizations just start 7.5 kilo marathon or 10 kilo marathon, not full marathon. It's not full marathon. So I think we need to participate in this marathon, because running is good for our health. Running is a good thing, and when we will run, is completely good for our refreshment. When we run, our dopamine will be released, and we feel good from our inside. And sometimes we make a community when we participate any running competition, any others competition. We make friends, we make our elder brother. Sometimes we create a group, and there we talk about our health, our future running career. So I think running is a good method for our health and our connection with the other person. So no more today. Assalamu alaikum.